Hey everyone. In this video, we will go through an introduction to data models. Just to give you an overview of data models as to how data models get created and what they're about. So in this video, we'll take a peek at that. So here you can see an organization can have a lot of data sets. So you can have a customer data set, you can have the sales data set, and you can have the products data set. And you might want to, you have products which you're selling to customers. So you want to link these three data sets together, essentially. And that's what will get converted into a data model. So you've got customers data, you've got sales data, you've got product data. And all of that, actually, when you structure it and you join it together, it becomes a data model. So for example, your sales data could have a link to the products data with a product ID. Similarly, your sales data have a link to the customer ID. Then you can see how many products are sold to how many customers, what is the sales value by product category, and so on and so forth. So essentially, you join all these data sets together and you create a data model. And now once you have your data model in place, you can derive insights out of that data model. So that's essentially what a data model is, that when you define relationships in your underlying data, so you create a structure which is mostly tabular for your underlying data set, and you build a relationship between them. That's when you get a data model, and then you build reports on top of it. So you've got those Power BI reports. But the hinge of a data model under the hood, and that's really important, how you define the relationships, how you define the data types. So it's the same, the data model where you've got the customer data set, the sales data set, and the product data set, and you define the relationship between them. So you can see here that I've got the customer data, the sales data, and the product data and defined, and it's joined together. And these relationships can be defined in Power BI. So you can import the sales data, you can import the customers data, you can import the products data, and then you can build relationship on how these tables get joined together. So then again, covering, so what's the underlying most important thing for building a data model is that you need to have an underlying structure, which we covered. You have to define the relationships and you have to define the data types. And that itself leads to a structure of the data model. So in this video, we've essentially covered what a data model is. So you could have multiple data sets, and when you join them together based on relationships, and you provide a structure, and then you define the data types for your underlying data, and that term becomes a data model, and then that data model can be used to derive insights on your data. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.